Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jessica. In this section, we will talk about the types of membrane transport. So let's continue. Membrane transport can mainly be divided into 3 types, and these are passive transport that requires transport proteins. Other are active transport, means molecule is transported against the concentration gradient, and energy is required. And bulk transport. This bulk transport is further divided into endocytosis and exocytosis, moving into further division of passive transport. Passive transport is further divided into simple diffusion and facilitated diffusion. Simple diffusion is also known as osmosis, which is further divided into isotonic, hypertonic, and hypotonic. But let's just focus on facilitated diffusion, which can take place by channel proteins or carrier proteins. Now let's discuss that. What is diffusion? This is outside the cell. This is plasma membrane, while this is inside the cell. Diffusion is the net movement of molecules from an area of greater concentration to an area of lesser concentration. But how simple diffusion is different from facilitated diffusion? Well, large and polar molecules cannot cross the membrane by simple diffusion. Transmembrane recognize the particular molecule and help it to move across the membrane. The direction it moves is dependent on the concentration gradients. Gradients involving ions have 2 components: electrical and chemical. Electrical gradient is due to difference in the amount of different types of ion across the membrane, and chemical gradient is due to difference in concentration of ions across membrane. So this was all about this section. In our next section, we will talk about the facilitated diffusion by carrier proteins.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.